こんにちは。Welcome back to our Japanese language learning journey. In today's lesson, we will explore 5 more essential words that are fundamental to understanding the world of education and communication. So let's begin. Our first word is クラス。クラス。This word means class. It represents a group of individuals who come together to learn and study a specific subject. Listen carefully and repeat it. クラス。クラス。クラスに友達がたくさんいます。Now, let's focus on the word. 教室。教室。It refers to the physical space where classes take place, such as a dedicated room equipped with desks, chairs, and educational materials. Repeat after me. 教室。教室。教室で勉強します。For third word, we have the word 学ぶ。学ぶ。It means to learn. 私は新しい言語を学ぶことが好きです。It represents the act of acquiring knowledge and skills through study and education. Next, we have the word 話す。話す。which means to speak. It represents the ability to communicate and express thoughts and ideas using spoken words. 友達と話すのが好きです。Finally, we have the word 聞く。聞く。which means to listen. It emphasizes the importance of actively paying attention and comprehending what others are saying. Repeat after me. 聞く。聞く。音楽を聴いてリラックスします。We've learned 5 essential words related to education and communication. Now let's review what we learned. クラス。クラス。教室。教室。学ぶ。学ぶ。話す。話す。聞く。聞く。ありがとうございました。Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue our language learning journey. Practice using these words in context to enhance your understanding of the education system and effective communication in Japanese.